What's up? It's Kat and Deb. Can you stop? What's up? It's Kat and Deb from Two Market Girls. We're doing another taste test.
Yeah.
Because we're enjoying them, you're enjoying them.
Also, like, I don't know if you've been noticing, but I've been noticing a lot of new products lately.
Yes, what is happening?
Like, a ton. Like, is October a month to announce vegan
well,
products?
you know, it's Q4, and so...
Fair. A couple of these aren't, like, new products, but they're new to us because they haven't been in Canada for the longest time.
Yes.
Okay, so we have Omni, 3 products from Omni, which, like, I hear is incredible, and I think they've had I don't know where, it's from Thailand, it's made, but I know they've had it in a couple, like, Australian influencers I follow.
Ooh.
I know they've had it for a while, and it looks incredible. So they have, like a Spam type of meat. They have fish fillets, and then they have ground pork, I think.
This says thaw in the refrigerator. I thought you checked these.
It said cook. It said keep frozen.
Well, yeah, until you are thawing in refrigerator. It'll be fine.
We'll do that one last. So this one I know says cook from frozen.
This says no thawing. Okay, so it's just
Cook directly from frozen.
Cook directly in the freezer. No.
So we have Omni. We also have Beyond Meat steak strips.
Steak.
So I picked this up from Coven. I thought it, so it's very soft.
And then we have a cheese. Riviera?
Maison Rivieria, which their yogurt is incredible. The best vegan yogurt, in my opinion.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm very excited for this. High hopes.
High hopes for this cheddar block.
Yeah, it doesn't say, like, it just says cheddar. It's not like a sharp cheddar or anything,
Cheddar
so I'm curious.
style.
But yeah, so we're gonna cook up this stuff and then we're gonna eat it.
And
for you.
That's how a taste test works, in case you're new here.
Okay, so how do we want to cook the fish? Because this says deep fry, air fry, or bake.
I vote air fry.
Okay, so we'll air fry that. We'll pan fry this.
Yes.
I assume this is pan fry, you know, when it thaws.
Yeah, and this is pan fried.
Okay, pan fry, and then this is cheese.
This is, you just cut the cheese.
Yeah. So I will get the air fryer going with this, and then we'll start cooking up these.
Yeah, baby.
Also, like, we're just cooking up this, right? Like, no
Yeah.
sauces or anything.
I don't think so. Let's
Okay.
just try it.
I'm good with that.
And then we'll see how we feel. And then, yes.
Do we smell it?
We do smell everything, yeah.
Beyond Meat also has a funky
Oh, is that
smell
why
a
you're
lot of
saying that?
times.
I thought it was because we just smell everything.
I don't know. I think it smells okay.
It smells very meaty.
Right?
Yeah, it must be the seasoning. They
It
have
must
on
be.
It
I don't
smells-
know what's
Give
on
me
it,
another whip.
Wow, Devin's addicted to the smell.
What does this say? Made from scratch. Okay.
Yeah, I don't think it actually says anything about
What
like
the
what's
heck?
on it.
It smells so good.
Yeah, I think this smells really good.
I'm getting really hungry.
It does. Honestly, it kind of smells like tacos to me. Like
I hope it
beef.
tastes as good as it smells.
Like it smells like a
Otherwise-
Tex-Mex taco.
What am I
So
gonna
yeah,
do?
I'm excited for that. I don't think I can smell fish fillets. Ooh, but they're bigger than I thought they were gonna be.
Whoa.
Yeah, I'm excited for this.
Still doesn't
Actually,
have a
it
smell.
kind of smells like fish.
Yeah.
It smells like fish, right?
Yes, but I smell the coating too.
It kind of smells like fish sticks. I don't know what Spam's supposed to smell
I have
like.
no
I've
idea
never
what
had
Spam
Spam
is supposed
before.
to taste or smell like.
I mean, I know, I don't love the smell of that. I know Spam is like pork, I'm pretty sure. I could be very wrong about that, but in my head, I think Spam is pork.
Sorry, it's reminding me of something, but I can't figure it out.
I don't know, I don't love the smell that I'm getting so far, but I'm gonna put just one of these. We'll just split
Yeah, we
it
can split it.
into the air fryer.
What the heck is it?
Ready?
I think so.
We've got some of the things, most of the things. We're
Everything
still waiting
but
for
one.
something to thaw.
What are we starting with?
What do you want to start with?
Oh, everything. I think Spam first,
Okay.
because we have no context. for
Yeah,
what it's
zero
supposed to taste
context.
So we're just gonna say
Yeah.
if we enjoy it.
Yeah,
Right? That's all we can say.
and if it tastes meaty, because I think Spam is meat.
Oh, okay.
This is so nice. It kind of tastes like bacon.
It's
Like
really
flavor-wise, I love this. Would 100% buy again.
Uh-huh.
This is so good. Honestly, I would eat this for breakfast. I don't know if Spam's supposed to be eaten for breakfast, But I would use this as like a breakfast sausage type thing.
It's not smoky,
No.
but it is meaty,
Mm-hmm.
and I like it.
I love it.
Wow.
It's so good.
Texture is perfect.
Mm-hmm.
Oh
It's
my-
so good.
Oh my gosh. I think that would wow a lot of people.
Yeah, that's freaking delish.
Okay, let's do fish next.
Cool.
Crispy?
Mm-hmm. Looks pretty fishy. Smells fishy.
Oh,
Smells like fish sticks.
It looks like it's got a good flakiness.
Mm. That breading is good.
The breading is good.
I think this tastes pretty fishy.
It's not as intense as Gardein,
No. But like,
it's good.
it works because it's like there are subtler fishes out there, right?
Yeah.
I really like this.
Oh,
I also kind of like it because it's not as moist as the Gardein one.
fish and chips with this.
Mhm. Oh my god.
Wow.
Both wins. So good.
Oh.
Omni so far is A+.
We're so lucky.
That actually, I feel like it tastes like fish.
The texture is so good.
good.
What the heck?
What the heck? All right.
Steak.
Beyond steak strips type thing.
What?
That tastes like steak.
That tastes so much
The
like...
chewiness?
No, what the heck?
I'm shocked. I'm shocked.
It's so good.
Holy crap. Let's hope we didn't save the worst for last.
I'm
Shocked.
I'm blown away.
Cheese. Cheddar. Smells like cheese, I guess.
It smells like all other
Yeah.
vegan cheddars. Feels smoother.
Mm-hmm.
But what's the taste? What's
I
the
don't
taste?
know. It's very soft.
Why does it taste like yogurt?
Maison Rivieria is a yogurt company. I don't hate it, but I still think I'd pick the Daya one over it. It's very subtle.
But it kind of has something good going on. I wonder how it is melted.
Mm-hmm. Gotta try it melted. Maybe we'll make a grilled cheese. You wanna make a grilled cheese?
I think it has good potential.
Let's make a grilled cheese.
Okay, we're gonna make.
Alright, we'll
grilled
be
cheese.
back with part 2.
Holy crap!
Yeah, I'm so impressed with everything. Mom, I need you to come taste things.
This is incredible. Here's our pork.
Yum. Okay, it's looking like it's keeping together now.
I think it's pumping.
Yeah, it's looking significantly better. We cooked up the Omni pork. Devin is, I think, questioning it a little bit.
It was hard to tell if it was cooked enough.
Yeah, it is really difficult sometimes, especially with a product you don't know how it's supposed to cook up.
Yeah.
Okay, so on the package it did say to season it. We did not. It doesn't have a lot of flavor,
No.
but the texture is nice.
I think it would be fine in something.
Yeah, oh, for sure. Yeah, actually, I think this would make a really nice dumpling fillet.
Mm-hmm.
Really
Oh my
nice.
god, yeah. It'd be incredible.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Actually, the more I eat, the more flavor I'm getting from
There
it.
is a taste to it.
There's a very subtle porky flavor, like a
Yeah,
meaty
no, it's
flavor.
good.
It's really nice.
It's not like when you say Beyond Meat has a taste.
Yeah,
This is good.
it's a good one. And I think it would take flavorings well. So like
Yeah.
whatever you add to it, like maybe some soy sauce or whatever seasonings.
The steak is incredible.
Honestly, I'm so impressed with everything. The cheese is the most disappointing.
But we're
Like-
gonna make a grilled cheese.
Yeah, we're gonna try it with the grilled cheese. It's also not bad still.
Mm-hmm.
Everything else is just incredible.
I'm eating steak again.
It's so good. The steak and the fish, I think, are my favorite so far.
Oh my goodness.
But we're gonna grill up a cheese.
Let's make some grilled cheese. Okay, let's see it. Moment of truth. It might. Is it more gooey? Oh, careful. Okay. It's very gooey.
Had a little bit of a pull, so it's melted. It's just not the most appealing looking.
What do you mean?
Look, if you really squish it together, you get a cheese pull again.
That's pretty nice.
Ready, ready, ready?
Oh my goodness.
Honestly, I'm actually impressed that it did a cheese pull at all.
Like that, yeah.
Because like Daya doesn't. It's fine. Honestly, I think it's less good
Yeah.
melted.
I'm not enjoying it.
I think stick to the cheese you like now. I'm a little disappointed.
That's not good.
It's fine. This is nothing special.
It has a very aggressive taste.
I'd still eat it, but it's not my favorite. All right. What was your favorite thing?
The steak.
Blown away.
This might be Beyond Meat's best product. Wait, the sausages? It might be better. It might be better than the sausages.
Honestly, I think my ranking for today's taste test goes the steak and the fish together because they were actually so good.
Wow, okay.
And then just underneath, like right here, like touching.
Oh, they're touching. Okay.
Spam.
Okay.
And then we'll go a little bit lower pork.
Mm-hmm.
And then cheese.
Ah!
But honestly, I think this was such a good taste test.
This was very successful. What a time to be vegan. Sorry about the static. If you have access to these products, they are pricey.
Yeah,
Like they're a special occasion thing. But I would go broke for these.
I wouldn't save any money, you know? I'd forfeit my savings.
Ready to empty my savings account.
Honestly, okay, so we got the Omni product stuff from Sobeys. I haven't seen it anywhere else yet.
Okay.
So if you have a Sobeys near you, check it out. I got the Beyond Steak Strip things from Coven, which is like a vegan grocery store. It's also available at Good Rebel, downtown Toronto. So like only vegan specialty places so far.
So far.
And then the cheese was also a vegan specialty thing, but you don't want it anyway.
No. So actually, you can probably order the steak online.
Yes. Yeah, Good Rebel ships everywhere.
Yeah. So try it.
Mm-hmm.
Try it.
Oh yeah, that bread is so good.
Okay. Let us know in the comments if you've tried any of these and what you think of them, and any other new products you're curious about.
The cheese really like coated your mouth.
That's gross.
All right. Bye.
That's all.
Bye.